Nagluluksa ngayon ang singer-host na si Karil dahil sa pagpanaw ng kanyang ama na si Dr. Modesto Tatlonghari. Ikinasal noon si Sasha Padilla na ina ni Karil kay Modesto Tatlonghari noong August 1, 1980. Nagbunga ang kanilang pagsasama ng isang anak, yun ay si Karil. Naanal ang church wedding ni Sasha Padilla kay Modesto noong August 6, 2003 at naging final ito noong December 3, 2004. Si Sasha at si Modesto ay 2 beses ikinasal, church wedding at civil wedding. Naanal din ang civil wedding ni Sasha kay Modesto noong July 13, 2009 at naging final noong December 17, 2010. Sa pamamagitan ng isang Instagram post noong August 11, 2024, nagbahagi si Karil ng isang announcement at ito ay hinggil sa paglisan ng kanyang ama. Ayon sa post ni Karil, "It is with profound sadness that I announce the passing of my dad. He was a beloved man who lived life fully. He was always seen and heard with his handsome cute face, youthful forma, and booming voice." Inaalala rin ni Karil ang kanyang ama bilang mabuti at matalinong tao na naging top-notcher sa dental board exam. Ayon pa nga kay Karil, he was a great guy, always brighten up people's days, a Baguio boy and a Laguna lad, and a top-notcher at the dental board. He loved basketball and his no-look shot. He loved picnics and always had a neon pink frisbee and a basketball and the trunk of a lift bag. It always needed to be lift back so you could instantly turn any road trip into a cute picnic of some sort. Ayon pa nga sa post ni Karil, ang philosophy ng kanyang ama, if your white rubber shoes weren't dirty enough, it meant you didn't play enough or have fun. He was always in for the fun, high attendance and truly present in school events. Tito M was everyone's dream dad. I was always lucky cause he was my dad. He will be missed. If you were one of his favorites, I'm sure you have enough memories and cuentos about him to make you feel like he's not too far away. He made a fuss about being called Lolo M, but that was a great jumping point for his whole stick to play around with his apos. He loved being their silly lolo. Ang pagtatapos pa nga ni Karil sa kanyang post, "It breaks my heart that I couldn't have spent more time with him. But as my best friend Diane told me, our last moments together don't define the lifetime that I've loved him. I will always love him and miss him. Thank you, Lord, for my Papa M." Dr. Modesto Tatlonghari was a Filipino dentist, best known as the father of the singer, actress, and television host Karil. His legacy is marked by his dedication to his profession, his vibrant personality, and his role as a loving father. Dr. Tatlonghari was more than just a top-notch dentist. He was a man who made a lasting impact on everyone he met. In addition to his professional accomplishments, Dr. Tatlonghari was a Boy Scout in his youth, a fact that Karil shared in a moving tribute to her father. Karil revealed that he was almost one of the scouts who would have been part of the tragic plane crash in 1963 that claimed the lives of 24 Filipino Boy Scouts. Fortunately, he did not attend the jamboree, which Karil believes extend his life.